Talking about the weather is very important because it's a common topic in conversations around the world. When you know how to talk about the weather, you can easily start conversations and tell others about the weather in your city. If you're learning English, you need to learn how to talk about the weather. So, let's start our topic with sunny weather. There are no clouds and the sun is shining. Sunny days can make you feel happy and active. This type of weather is common in many places like California, Sydney, and Valencia. People often enjoy outdoor activities like picnics and sports outside. But if the weather is too hot, it can be very uncomfortable. If you live in a city with hot weather, you need to wear a hat and sunglasses and use sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. It's also great if there are air conditioners inside. Our next weather is cloudy weather, when the sky is covered with clouds and the sun is hidden. Cloudy weather is very common. Seattle is known for having many cloudy days. Most people like sunny weather, but cloudy weather has its good too. It's a great opportunity to visit a museum, see an exhibition, or do chores at home. Some people think that cloudy days are perfect for thinking and reading. It's also a great time to go for a walk outside without worrying about getting a sunburn. Let's talk about foggy weather. It's a big cloud of small water drops close to the ground, making it hard to see. San Francisco is famous for its fog, especially in the summer. Fog makes places look mysterious and special, changing normal views into something interesting. But foggy weather can be dangerous. You need to be careful when driving. Also, in strong fog, there can be delays at airports. The next type of weather is rainy weather. It's when water drops fall from the sky. Some people like this type of weather. When it rains, the air is fresh, there are fewer people on the streets, and the sound of rain creates a relaxing melody. Rain is very important for nature. It helps trees grow, and without it, a good harvest is impossible. In some places, it rains a lot. London, for instance, is known for its rainy weather. Many people in London always carry an umbrella. If it's rainy outside, you also need to be careful when driving. There are many accidents on the road, and you need to drive slower and pay more attention. Let's talk about snowy weather. White snow falls from the sky and covers the ground. This type of winter weather is typical in Canada, Russia, and Northern Europe. Sometimes, snowy weather is very beautiful, and it provides a great opportunity to enjoy snow sports like skating, skiing, and snowboarding. But honestly, when it's quite cold outside for 3 months, it's very uncomfortable. You need to wear a lot of clothes to stay warm. So now let's talk about windy weather. The air moves fast outside. In some places, wind is very common. For example, Chicago is called the Windy City. Wind can be very different. On a hot summer day, a light breeze is very pleasant. However, if it's cold outside and there's rain or snow, the wind can be very unpleasant. There are many sports related to wind, like kite surfing. Wind also helps seeds move and flowers make more flowers. It shows how everything in nature is connected. The most dangerous weather we will talk about today is a storm. Heavy rain, strong winds, and sometimes thunder and lightning. Tropical places like the Caribbean often have storms during the summer and fall. In the USA, tornadoes and hurricanes happen sometimes. While storms can be both powerful and beautiful, they serve as a reminder to be careful. This type of weather can cause many problems. It's always necessary to listen to the weather forecast and be informed about storms in advance. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Subscribe to the channel to work on English together. In our videos, we use different speakers for voiceovers to help you understand various people more easily. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and take care of yourself.